Hey, this is Tom with Gone Fishing, and we're doing some more work out here on the boat, as always, trying to get ready. And so we're going to get some things done here concerning the boat. We're going to put on the light. We're going to do some painting, put on a little bit more of this EVA foam, and I just do a little touching up. We need to put in a seat holder over here for the seat to swivel on, and we got to get that done. And so once we get all that stuff taken care of, we'll let you see what it looks like. here's what we got. We've got the latch. We've got the latch secure. The battery compartment latch. Got it. We're going to need to put a little bit more paint up underneath there. I don't know if it'll do any good because it looks like it's just scraping it right off. So I'm not going to worry about that. Anyways, we got the seat mount on. We've got our diamond plate painted. So anyways, we're going to paint the diamond plate down here on the floor. We haven't done that yet. We bought us a cooler. And we'll paint that as well. So we're going to paint the cooler too. And we put some of that EVA foam up here next to the seat. I know we had stenciled the aluminum up under there, but I just thought I would put some of this. I had some scrap, and I went ahead and put that there, see what it looked like. So that turned out pretty good. Now right here we're going to put our switch panel for our lights. So we're going to get that installed. I'm going to go ahead, I've got an old one that I had in, but it didn't look so good, and I'm going to go ahead and put another one in. So I'm going to go ahead and order one and take care of that. So we've got all this done. We don't like much more. I'd like to put some rod holders in here. Get the light switches, get the wiring, get all that hooked up. That'll be pretty easy. And because I'm not making this complicated, I will put some running lights on the front. But I don't know. I'll play it by ear and see when I do that. I may go ahead and order them and put those on. So I've already got the conduit and everything here that's been run. I ran that conduit a long time ago, and for the bow light, and I can just run some extra wires in there for the headlights, running lights. So I'll have the bow light separate, headlight running lights on their own wire, and the bow light separate. That way I can cut the bow light on and off, and also the stern light. Do that as well. The stern light back here, I put that on there. Went ahead and installed the stern light. So and you can flip either way. So I've got to flip backwards right now because I was working in this area here and I didn't want to hit it. I got to flip backwards. I don't know if you heard me, but I flipped it backwards like this while I'm working, so I don't hit it. Don't want it to get in the way and break. I just bought it. So. And I am going to go ahead and paint the floor. I'm going to go ahead and get the floor wiped down. Then I'm going to throw some paint on it. I've already used the wire brush and wire brushed it. So we're going to go ahead and put some paint on it and see if we can get a lot of this stuff done. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. This is Tom, Gone Fishing. And we're going to finish this paint and we're going to take a break. So, God bless.